Nestled amidst the breathtaking Himalayas, the Bijli Mahadev trek in Kullu Himachal beckons adventurers and spiritual seekers. This revered pilgrimage leads to the sacred Bijli Mahadev temple perched atop a lofty peak. The journey is an enchanting blend of natural beauty, cultural significance, and a touch of thrill. The trek to Bijli Mahadev is a testament to the harmonious coexistence of nature and spirituality in the Himalayas. It's a journey that promises not just breathtaking views, but also a glimpse into the heart of ancient beliefs. The trail winds through dense forests, across gushing streams, and past charming meadows. All along the way, the majestic Himalayas stand as silent guardians, their snow-capped peaks piercing the azure sky. The air grows crisper and the views become more awe-inspiring with every step you take. The trek is a journey of self-discovery, where you disconnect from the mundane and reconnect with nature's raw beauty. Along the way, you'll encounter the warmth and hospitality of the local villagers. Their smiles are as bright as the rhododendrons that bloom in these hills. The trek to Bijli Mahadev commences from the quaint village of Chansari. It's a relatively moderate trek, covering a distance of approximately 3 kilometers. The trail is well defined, making it suitable for both seasoned trekkers and beginners. As you ascend, the landscape transforms dramatically. Dense forests of pine, deodar, and oak trees envelop you, casting cool, refreshing shade. The air is filled with the sweet melodies of unseen birds. The trail takes you across gurgling streams and past cascading waterfalls. Each turn reveals a new vista, more captivating than the last. The climb is steady, and the panoramic views that unfold as you gain altitude make the effort worthwhile. At the summit, standing tall at an elevation of 2,460 meters, is the revered Bijli Mahadev temple. This ancient temple holds immense religious significance dedicated to Lord Shiva. Legend has it that the tall staff of the temple attracts lightning strikes. It is believed that Lord Shiva, in his benevolence, absorbs the lightning's destructive power, protecting the villagers below. The temple's interior houses a Shiva lingam, said to have been formed when Lord Shiva drew lightning into himself to save the Kullu Valley. The views from the summit are simply breathtaking, offering a panoramic vista of the Kullu Valley and the surrounding Himalayan peaks. On a clear day, you can see the Parvati Valley and even the peaks of the great Himalayan National Park. It's a sight that will stay etched in your memory long after you've descended. The best time to embark on this soul-stirring journey is from May to October. During these months, the weather is pleasant and the skies are clear, offering unobstructed views of the majestic Himalayas. To reach the starting point of the trek, Chansari village, you can easily find taxis and local buses from Kullu town. Kullu is well connected by road to major cities in Himachalpardesh and neighboring states. It's advisable to carry sufficient water, snacks, and a first aid kit. Wear comfortable trekking shoes and dress in layers, as the weather in the mountains can be unpredictable. The Bijli Mahadev trek is more than just a physical journey. It's an experience that nourishes the soul. It's a pilgrimage that brings you closer to nature, to yourself, and to the divine. So pack your bags, lace up your boots, and set off on this unforgettable adventure. For more information and guidance on planning your trek, you can contact the Himachal Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation.